Hello everyone. In the PySpark playlist, today we are going to see all about when and otherwise functions. When and otherwise functions are used to create conditional logics. It is very similar to SQL case and when statement. When function is used to define a condition and specify the value to return if the condition is met. When function accepts two arguments, a condition and a value. A condition is a Boolean expression. For example, if the age is greater than 18, this value will be returned. Otherwise function is used to specify the value to return if the condition is not met. Otherwise function accepts only one argument, which is a value. This value will be returned if the when condition is false. Let's implement the when and otherwise function using a scenario. We have a data frame which has name and their corresponding age. We are going to add a new column category based on the age range. That is, if the age is less than or equal to 12, we are going to return the category as child. If the age is between 13 and 19, we are going to return the category value as teen. If the age is between 20 and 59, we are going to return the category value as adult. If the age is greater than or equal to 60, we are going to return the category value as senior. I hope the use case is clear. Let's implement this using PySpark. Here is my Spark session which is up and running. From the Spark functions, I have imported when and call. And I have named the column as name and age. And I have created a data frame. Here is my data frame. Let's run this once. Now we are going to create a category column for the age range. Let's implement that. I'm going to have my new data frame as df equal to, I'm going to use my old data frame. That data frame is also df dot with column. Since we are going to create a new column, I'm going to use with column function. I'm going to name the column name as category. Now I'm going to use when function. Column, our column name is age. So I'm going to use age less than or equal to 12. Then the value is a child. As I mentioned, when function accepts two arguments, one is the condition and the value. Let me add the next when condition dot when age is greater than or equal to 13 and the age is less than 19 and is the ampersand symbol and age less than 19. Let me put the condition in a parenthesis. If the age is between 13 and 19, we are going to have the category as teen. Next, if the age is between 20 and 59, we are going to have the category value as adult. If the age is between 20 and 59, we are going to have the category value as adult. If the age is greater than 60, we are going to have the category as senior. I'm going to mention this in otherwise. Otherwise, it is going to be senior. If none of these conditions satisfy, the value in the otherwise will be returned, which is senior. Now I'm going to print my data frame df dot show. That's pretty much it. Now let's run it. Here is the result. For each age group, we got the desired category. I hope you got a fair idea of when and otherwise function in PySpark, and I am sure that you learned something new today. If you do like this video, please consider to subscribe, and I will see you in yet another interesting PySpark interview question. Thank you.